Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some things from Dollar Tree. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. I was in a Dollar Tree. It's not my local Dollar Tree, but I was in another one on the other side of town, and I saw these cute metal signs. They are so adorable, and it's just so many things. You just surprise you at Dollar Tree. One thing you want to make sure you do when you walk in the door, they have a wow section. So these are the new things. These are the popping things you need to look for. Look for seasonal items that are hard to find. Grab them while you can. And this is one of my Dollar Tree hauls. Many things put together. I just wanted to show you. They're from different stores, and I had no idea that any of them had the that adhesive. You saw where I showed you briefly. I'll go back around to it. But the pearls sometimes are hard to find. And these long wooden signs, they're hard to find. The rectangular trays are hard to find. So grab them when you can. These are some other new items that I saw. These are usually sold in the other stores for like $15.99, $20.99, and they're at the Dollar Tree. Also, I never saw the dried flowers. So anybody who wants to decorate with dried flowers, you better hit to Dollar Tree. Always check the candle section. There are always new items they're bringing in, like the candle making kit. I still have not found the candle snuffer. Now here are some of the new items that were in front. That's the wow section at a Dollar Tree. These are nice, cute little things. And here are the pom-poms and the sequins you might want to get. Now the ropes, sometimes they have a lot of it, sometimes they don't. If you're one of those to do the shabby chic, better get those. Now sometimes Dollar Tree has, I've never saw those brushes before. Those were chalk brushes. Now they have these. The butterflies are really nice. The hula hoops are seasonal items. So if you're planning on doing those shelves with round that you use hula hoops with, you better grab them now because they're only there in the summer. Always check the glasses, the dishware, dinnerware. They always seem to have new silverware. Sometimes they look like crystal. Now these lights, they're hard to find, so grab them when you can. And for those who are spending so much money on coffee table books, Dollar Tree has really nice books. So they do have some of the thick ones too. So if that's your thing, hit Dollar Tree for books. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. This was a quick one, but subscribe and share.